Named view allows you to create custom views that save your current camera orientation as well as zoom level. What some may not know is that you can create named views that only affect the visibility of geometry, not the camera angle itself. When you create the named view, you can use the view filters, mask, and visibility settings and store their current properties. In fact, you don't need to save the camera information at all. This is what we're going to show you today. We'll quickly create two named views, one that saves the current view filters and one that saves the mask and visibility settings. First, we need to set up the view filters that we want to store. So let's close name view, open up view filters, and we're going to set the graphics view to only show surface geometry. As you can see, everything else has been erased. We will now create the view by going into name view. Make sure orientation is off since we don't want to save the camera orientation. And make sure that size is set to none because we don't want to affect the zoom level. What we do want is to save the view filters. We don't want to save the mask or visibility information in this view, so we'll set those to none. And then we'll call this surf only. Save it and close. Now we'll reset the view back to what it was so you can see how this works. And we'll change the view slightly so you can see that the view information itself has not been saved. We'll get the view, get surf only. And as you can see, the camera had not changed, only the geometry was changed, and only the surface geometry is showing. Let's reset this. We're now going to hide and mask some geometry. Let's mask the solid model. And let's hide some geometry. Now we go to create the view. We don't want to save view filters. However, we do want to save the unmasked geometry, and we want to save the hidden geometry. Call it mask hide and save it. Now let's reset back to where we were. Everything is back the way it was. Now all we need to do is go and retrieve our view again. As you can see, the mask and show hide settings were reapplied. This gives you a lot of control. You can create custom views that show only very specific layers or steps, only show surface geometry, only show wireframe. The options are really quite large. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you for using SmartCam.